gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. You're welcome. In here I review wigs, and today I'll be revealing a wig from Ayiyi hair. That's the wig I'll be revealing today. Gorgeous, thank you so much. I really appreciate you being here today. If you like it here, you know what to do. Even before we start this video, click on that subscribe button and that bell icon, okay, so that you don't miss videos from me. The hair I'll be revealing today is from Ayiyi hair, like I said, and the hair is bob lace closure wig, highlight wavy 4x4 lace closure pre-plucked human hair wig. Okay, came in this plastic bag and it's 16 inches, which is written here. So let's bring it out. Wow, this is lovely. Guys, look at the hair, look at the coils. It came coiled. Oh, which means you don't need to do this. It's 4x4 lace wig. You can see you just have to cut the lace from it. So the front came plucked, you can see it, and it's center part, but you can put it in a little bit side if you want to do that. You can shift it to side. Okay, look at it. It's lovely, and inside came with some combs. There's inbuilt strap that came with it, see here, and another inbuilt adjustable strap. So this will help you to hold it firmly to your scalp. These are the goodies that came with it. Ooh, there is a hair clip. Ah, this is cute. I love this. So this came with it. Pair of lashes, a hairband as well. See it, a hairband came with it. An edge brush. Ooh, you see this? And a wig cap, 2 pairs. Ah, I'm so happy. You guys know when goodies come with any wig, I'm really happy. I so much appreciate that. So guys, this is it on. You can see they coiled it for you. Ooh. Hey, so you guys can see that they coiled it already. This is so lovely. So we're just going to cut the excess lace. Let me open the part.
Taking chances, empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling me.
Okay, this is the part. I'll try and take the flying hair down.
Oh, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path.
Oh, I really like the texture of the hair. Texture is so cool. One thing I like with 4x4 lace wig, if you like, you can glue it down. If you like, you don't glue it down. So we're going to see if we're gluing this down or not. So let's cut the excess lace.
Your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed?
If you like, you can twist this so the more. It all depends on you.
I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? And follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right
that is it, gorgeous. All information will be on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. The wig is so lovely. One thing I like, there was no smell, and it's 4x4 lace wig. You guys know 4x4, you don't waste time, you just snatch it on. Okay, if you like, you can glue it down. If you like, you don't glue it down. Like I use styling gel, and also I did not twist it. If you like, you can twist it the more. You can see, you can just snatch this on and you're good to go. The most important thing, the thing I love so much about this hair is that they coiled it for you already. If you're a lazy girl like me, you know that save you the stress, because to coil hair is not easy. So that is it. All information will be on the description box. Check that out. I love the color. It goes with everything. This hair is everything. So I will see you guys in my next one. The hair is from Ayiyi hair, and it's 16 inches 4x4 lace closure. If you like it here, gorgeous, before you go, why not click on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.